I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. I'm here to show you how to have a shittier 2024 with this one weird studio trick. So this simple studio trick is for all of you who have spent the last year feeling like super satisfied with their progress. You know, like you're just in the studio, you're relaxed, you're having a good time, you're learning, you're being creative, you're not frustrated in any way. So let me show you the easiest way that we can fucking ruin that. So let me explain to you how this is done. First, you're about to embark on something in the studio, a project, a step, a technique. Maybe you've never done it before. Even better, the less information you have, the more effective this technique is. So now what you do is you make up an imaginary timeline. Now remember, this is not based on anything in reality at all. It's just totally made up. So decide to yourself, oh, well, these earrings should only take 3 hours, or, I'm just learning how to fuse. How hard can it be? It'll take me an hour or two or 15 minutes, or that's all you have to do is just make up a completely imaginary timeline, base it on no information whatsoever, and then use that to relentlessly judge and make yourself miserable every step of the way when, surprise, in real life, things don't match up to that imaginary timeline. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. Now, for those of you students out there who are already saying, I'm so slow, this should have been done already, I thought I would be done by 2 o'clock, etc., etc., don't worry about it. You're probably already using this technique to make your life miserable. So you don't need to learn a new technique. So just remember, the most important thing is take completely imaginary information and use it to beat yourself up the whole day in the studio and compare yourself to others and imagine that you are the worst and everyone else is actually way better and smarter. That's all it takes. I hope everybody out there has a really happy 2024. So maybe for those of you who are already using this studio trick, maybe give it a rest in the new year. So all joking aside, everybody, please stop beating yourself up for made up timelines. Stop thinking that you're the slowest. You're not. I don't think I've ever had a student literally not say to me, oh, I'm the slowest. I'm so slow. Guess what? We all are. The only way that you get faster is by doing things over and 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 over, and it gets faster. But how about we forget about that, and just enjoy ourselves and have a good time. Give yourself the gift of time and enjoyment. You deserve it this year.